In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo into Smartsheet. Adding a logo to a Smartsheet can make your sheet look more branded and professional. Before we do anything, it helps to know where the logo will go. In Smartsheet, you will place the image into a specific cell area, so the result is neat and easy to manage. Now follow along with what you see on screen. First, you will right-click a column or a row. Choose the column or row that is closest to where you want the logo to appear. If you want the logo to sit in a certain section, pick the area that matches that section. When you right-click, pay attention to the menu that appears, because that menu is where the upload option will be located. After you have opened the right-click menu, look for the option related to uploading an image. This is the next step, and it matters because this is what connects your logo file to the Smartsheet cell area. Take a moment to make sure you are right-clicking the correct column or row, since that affects where the image will display. Next, select the option to upload an image. You may see wording that indicates an upload or an image insertion feature. Once you choose it, your computer will typically open a file selection window. This is where you choose the logo image from your device. Make sure the logo file is ready to use and select the correct file so the image looks the way you expect. Once you select the image file, confirm the upload so it actually places the image into Smartsheet. This step is important because sometimes the file picker closes without inserting the image if you do not confirm properly. After the image is uploaded, you should see it appear in the area related to the column or row you selected. Now that the logo is in place, you will move to the insertion step. Look for an option on screen that allows the image to be inserted into the sheet. The key idea here is that uploading makes the image available, but insertion is what places it where it belongs visually. Finally, you will click the Insert Image option, or you will use an insert control that appears after the image upload. When you click Insert, Smartsheet will place the image into the sheet based on the column or row you targeted. You should see the logo rendered inside the sheet area. At this point, it is a good idea to quickly check that the logo appears in the correct location. Verify that it is aligned with the column or row you selected. If it looks off, the usual solution is to repeat the process using the correct column or row, since Smartsheet attaches the image positioning to the cell area where you initiated the action. When you are satisfied with the placement, you can continue working on your Smartsheet as normal. The logo becomes part of your sheet layout, so it is useful for headers, branded trackers, and organized dashboards. Adding it this way keeps everything in one place, instead of relying on external references. Matter covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.